Hi there, my name is Joran from Foleon, and in this video I'll show you how you can stay on brand with the theme settings. So the topics for this video are how to access the theme settings, how to control navigation, and how to set default text styles. So let's dive in. Each Foleon Doc also has its own theme. So this is where you set the global styling that will apply to that entire doc. So let's click on theme right here. So here, if we scroll through, you see that there's a lot of options, and these are all the theme settings. We highly recommend setting these theme settings before you create new pages, because it will save you a lot of time, because you don't have to then style each element separately. So we start off with the logos for both the navigation and the browser tab. You can set default colors that all the users in your account can then use for that Foleon Doc. It will save you time and will make sure that you stay on brand, because then you know that the swatches they use in the content, that they will be the colors that you have assigned. Then we move on to the navigation bar. So the navigation bar is the bar that users can use to navigate your Foleon Doc. You can choose for a top bar or a bottom bar. You can choose to include which pages to display in the navigation bar, set the colors, the icons, and text. Next to that, we have the page arrows, which your users can use to navigate between pages. You can add custom fonts. Let's say you want to add a font, then you get directed to the custom font library, which will help you that you can use the fonts that your organization wants to use in the Foleon Doc. There we go. Then we move on to the font styles. So the font styles are very important to set right from the beginning, and we recommend asking yourself, so which text elements am I going to use in this Foleon Doc, which will really help with your consistency. So I'll just show how that works. So we have the header 1 right here, and if I click it and change the color to red, it will also change in the Foleon Doc, because this is set as a heading 1, which is a header element which I have added from the Elements panel. As you can see here, there's a couple of options to choose from. You can choose for 4 different headers, paragraph, quote, and these are all things that you can set in the theme settings. So you can imagine that if you have a lot of different headers in your Foleon Doc, that you can really save time by styling them all together. So let's change this back to the original color. Paragraph text is the text that will be the main body text of your Foleon Doc. So good to keep in mind is that if you add a paragraph element, so let's say I want to add a paragraph element here, it will take that styling from the theme settings. There we go. Let's go back to theme. So those are the font styles, so important to get right from the start. Next to that, we have default styling for buttons, hotspots, the page scroll button, and also the divider. Please check the help center if you want to have more information on these specific things that you can set in the theme settings. Good to know is that it's also possible to set a custom theme for the tablet and mobile view mode. So as you can see right here, you can set theme settings that apply only to this view mode. If you do this in the tablet view mode, it will apply to both tablet and mobile. If you do this in the mobile theme, then you can set a theme setting for just the mobile view mode. Bear in mind that the desktop view mode theme settings will always apply to all 3 different view modes, except for if you decide to put a theme settings just for that specific view mode. So good to know. Next to that, you can always override the theme settings by simply changing something within the element itself. And then you can just use whatever styling you want, and that always overrides theme settings. So just to sum up what we've learned, you've now learned how to access the theme settings, how to control navigation, how to set default text styles, and you've also learned about the mobile and tablet theme settings. If you want more information, please visit our help center, and I hope this was a very useful video. Thank you.